Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, In the Kitchen with Ash. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious, creamy red beans and rice recipe. Let's jump straight into this video. So we're going to start off by sorting out all of our bad red beans. I'm using the Goya red kidney beans. Once we sort out all of our bad red beans, what we're going to do is we're going to put it in some water and we're going to let it sit in that water for about a minute to two. So once we let it sit in the water for a minute or two and take out all those bad red beans, we are going to then rinse and drain the beans to get them nice and clean. Once we rinse and drain the beans, we're then going to put the beans into a pot. We're filling the pot with enough water to cover the red beans. So once you put it into the pot with the water, once again, just enough to cover the red beans, you're then going to bring it to the stove top. Put your heat on high and bring those beans to a boil. Once they get to a boil, turn that heat off and let it sit in that hot water uncovered for about an hour to two. You're then going to drain and rinse those beans again, but for now we're going to put it to the side. I'm going to show you guys what's going to be going into that same pan with those beans. We got some sausage, some turkey necks, some onions, some celery, and some red peppers. So I am going to cook up my sausage, my onions, my celery, and my green peppers. So once we saute and cook our sausage, we are going to set it to the side. Now we're back to our red beans and rice. I am just draining and I'm rinsing those red beans. Just trying to get them nice and clean, y'all. So then I am putting it into a clean pot. The beans, the turkey necks, the sausage, the celery, the onions, and the green peppers are all going into this pot. So then we are going to add 6 cups of water. Once again, that's 6 cups of water that is going into this pot. We're also going to add 4 beef cubes that I'm throwing in there. I am going to be putting it onto the stove top for about 2 hours. Once it gets to an hour and a half, I'm setting it to the side, and as you see, I'm taking out some beans and I'm going to mush down those beans and I'm going to put it back into that same pot. This is going to give it that nice thick creamy texture that we're looking for. After that hour and a half, we're also going to be seasoning up our water. So I am going to be seasoning up my water with 1 tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, I then have 3 tablespoons of creole seasoning, 1 tablespoon of cajun seasoning. We using Slap Your Mama, okay? That's the best Cajun seasoning, just to let y'all know. Okay, sorry y'all. And then we're using 1.5 broth base. I'm going to give it a nice little mix. So this is after the rest of the time, which was another 30 to 40 minutes. It's nice and creamy. Give y'all a up close money maker shot. Yes, this is how we want them, y'all. Give y'all a little bit of a presentation. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thank you guys for all of your love and support. Bye bye.